Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU usage due to the service host network service, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, you need to end that task and restart your computer. So search for Task Manager and open Task Manager. Now I don't have this service task, but still scroll down to the service host network service. Okay, yes, I have. So right click on it and select end task, but it will impact your network. Then right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. The next is to disable delivery optimization. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, select delivery optimization, and then disable it. The next one is to use metered connection. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now type metered. Okay, metered connection, allow downloading our metered connections. Okay, or go to network and internet, go to your Wi-Fi, select the Wi-Fi network, and then scroll down and there will be an option for metered connection here. Make sure that it is off. After this, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on one corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. Click on one corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. It will detect the status of the internet connection and mention the required solutions. And lastly, not lastly, but the next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to use the network reset button. Okay, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings in the right pane, select network reset, click on reset now, and finally click on yes, and then reboot your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.